Okay, hello today. So here I will try to demonstrate how to solve the problem of question 3, 4, okay, in the test chapter 8. Okay, so first of all, we try to do this question. Okay, so for this question, we'll try to convert the number to scientific notation. Okay, so we must follow this way. So question A, we try to move the decimal point backward, okay, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, so it will become 3.58 times 10 to the power negative 6. Alright, and then for the second question, the decimal point is somewhere behind the last zero. Okay, and then we try to move it and forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the number will be 10 to the power 6. Okay, so this is the standard format of scientific notation. Okay, so please check it from your home textbook. What is scientific notation? Okay, and then we go to question 4. Okay, so question 4A. So you can see that we are doing addition, and for both values they have the same power of 10. Okay, so we can just add them together. Alright, so it will become 6.2 times 10 to the power 3. Okay, remember we need to use scientific notation to show the answer. Okay, so now we go to B. So for B, we try to do multiplication. Okay, and you also can see, okay, the 4500 times 10 to the power negative 3, and then times 2 times 10 to the power 7. Okay, so all of them are doing multiplication. So actually we can rearrange the number. Okay, so 4500 can be multiplied by 2, and then the 2 power 10 can be combined together also. So 4500 times 2, this is 9000. 10 to the power negative 3 times 10 to the power negative 7, it is 10 to the power 4. Okay, and then we try to convert it to scientific notation. So the final answer should be 9 times 10 to the power 7. And then we go to question C. So for question C, we should first try to deal with the addition inside the bracket. Okay, and you can see that they have different power of 10. Okay, so we should try to move them to the same. Okay, so we try to change the 10 to the power to the same. Okay, so one suggestion is we may change the 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 4. Okay, so now they have the same power of 10, so we can add them together. Okay, now let's change to doing division. Okay, and then we try to do the division. Okay, because this is negative 4 divided by 10 to the power 2. So the index will be negative 4 minus 2. This is minus 6. Okay. And then it will become 0.98 times 10 to the power, this is 12, sorry, I did it wrong. So it should be 16. Alright, and finally we will move the decimal point to behind 9. Okay, this is the requirements of scientific notation. Okay. So it becomes -17. Okay, and then to this page we'll try to do the question of Lot 6 and 7. Okay. So for question 6, it is given that the distance is 1 kilometer and the speed of light is this one, 299792458 meters per second. Okay, and you should try to think about if we want to find the time. Okay, so distance and speed, we should do distance and this is speed. Okay, so if we want to find the time, we should try to divide distance by speed. Okay, so actually the expression should be 1 kilogram divided by 299792458 meters per second. Okay, and then we should change the unit to meter, or kilometer to meter. Okay, and by using calculator, it will be 0.00000334. Okay, so this is a second. Okay, a very short time. Okay, and then finally we change it to scientific notation. Okay, and remember, write down correct to 3 significant figure. Okay, and then now we go to question 7. So 2a. So both of them has the base 2. Okay, so actually you can just do the subtraction of the index. Okay, and the answer should be 2 to the power 3. So this is 8 directly. Okay. And then for b, 4 to the power x minus 1 over 2 to the power 2x. Okay, first of all we will change the 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so we know that 4 equal to 2 to the power 2. Okay, so just put it inside. Okay, and then now both the numerator and denominator have the base 2, and then we can just do the subtraction of the index. Okay, so it will become 2x minus 2 minus 2x. So it is 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, so actually it is 1 over 4. Alright, and then the last part, B part. So it is a difficult question. Okay, so try to solve it. Okay. So by observing the question of A and B, actually 2 to the power 2x plus 3 is quite similar to the first part of A. And 4 to the power x minus 1 is quite similar to the second part, but both of them should have division by 2 to the power 2x. So we try to do the division of 2 to the power 2x on both sides. And then we try to do substitution. Okay, so so this one, 2 to the power 2x plus 3 over 2 to the power 2x equal to 8. Okay, so this is equal to 8 plus, and the 4 to the power x minus 1 over 2 to the power 2x is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so we just put it inside. Okay, let's go on. So 8 plus 1 over 4, it is equal to 33 over 4. Okay. And then move the term. And then we see that 2 to the power 2x equal to 16. Okay, so 16 equal to 2 to the power 4. So finally, we found that 2x equals to 4, so x equal to 2.